Hi, good morning, guys. Uh, Today I am in Dehradun, capital of Uttarakhand, and I thought I must address you for a while before I leave Dehradun for Kotdwara. My second leg of tour will be Kotdwara for a couple of days, where I'll be visiting the nearby places and say hello to the other part of the Uttarakhand, which is also now named as Karn Bhumi because of the Karn ashram situated in Kotdwara. The nearby places I will visit is Sidbali Dham and could be Dugadda and nearby places which I have already visited number of times, but still when you are in Kotdwara you must visit around places. So as of now till the half of the day I am in Dehradun, and currently I am in near to Kargi Chowk. I have not visited Dehradun very frequently, so I will not be able to detail you where exactly is this place, but it is quite near to the ISBT. Maximum, I think, a couple of kilometers from here. The next to me is here in this vicinity is a school which is called Sandalwood School. From Kargi Chowk, it is close to 400 or 500 meter maximum. This colony inside, quite a serene and peaceful place. Now in afternoon, you must visit a lot of hustle bustle. There is a bell going on in the nearby Sandalwood School, which is till 12th ICSE board. Good place to stay. The sunshine is quite good, and I must say the cold which we have witnessed yesterday evening is not there today, and the weather around is quite comfortable in terms of warmness. You are in the lap of Himalaya, which is a few kilometers away when you travel towards Mussoorie. The city is as it is like the other cities. The traffic is quite heavy, and in place of traffic is quite heavy, and you will find fewer trees around. So you can see the beautiful trees which the school has planted in their vicinity. So it is still soothing, but when you move towards the bus adda and the inner part of the city, you will find a little congested, and pollution is also there because of the traffic only. So still Uttarakhand invite you whenever you are around to witness a little bit of cold, the feeling of Uttarakhand. You will not find the culture which is there in the higher hills, but still you will find the touch of that culture here in city also. So hopefully I will be addressing you tonight from Kotdwara and from tomorrow afternoon in the nearby vicinities of the places which I will visit. So till then, have a nice day. Happy weekend which is coming ahead. Thank you. Bye.